welcome to our channel. My name's Charity.
And I'm Haley, and today we are just going to introduce ourselves to you guys a little bit. We're sisters, if you didn't know, and we actually just decided at lunch one day that we wanted to start YouTubing for fun. We thought it was fun. We watched a ton of YouTubers. We actually have quite a few favorites as we were going through them.
Who are some of your favorites? Because I'm really interested because we don't really talk a lot about it.
Right.
We just decided to do this a few days ago.
Yeah, probably like 4 or 5 days ago.
4 or 5 days ago, and we were actually both secretly thinking about doing YouTube as like a hobby, maybe even a career one day,
right,
because of all the people we were inspired by on the YouTube space.
And so there are several that I watch, but just to name a few of my favorite, I thoroughly enjoy cleaning and organizing videos. So my favorite are Love Meg, Clutterbug, and
cute.
Do It on a Dime. And for those of you who have not seen either one of those channels, you should really go check them out. They're really amazing. And who are some of your favorites?
Oh, so I'm about to sip some hot tea, honey.
Yeah, we actually decided to make some green tea before we started.
Cheers.
Just to kind of have a little chill,
We're just sitting
relax.
down.
We'll
Y'all
sit
are
down,
our
have
friends.
a conversation.
You know?
Yeah.
You're our friends. We're just going to have a little tea with our friends and talk and get to know each other.
So who are some of your favorites?
Some of my favorite YouTubers happen to be, my all-time favorite is Tati Westbrook. I mean, she is so inspirational. She started from like absolutely no following whatsoever and has now been one of the most influential beauty YouTubers. I would even say beauty influencers, just like in the world right now. And she is an incredible makeup artist.
What's crazy about her is that I didn't really know anything about her, and I never even heard of her, only because...
She's talking about Tati.
Only because her type of video and stuff that she watches is completely different than mine, because our personalities and everything we do are completely opposite. And so she's into more like...
beauty,
yes,
fashion...
yes. Makeup.
Oh my gosh.
And so, but she actually showed me one of Tati's videos for the first time 2 days ago, and I personally liked it. I mean, I'm no good with that type of thing, but I thoroughly enjoyed her video for sure.
Another one of my favorite YouTubers, and I know he's kind of controversial, but putting all of the political like YouTube, story aside, is Jeffree Star. I mean, no one can argue with me that he is not a freaking amazing makeup artist. I mean, his skin is flawless, and he knows what he's talking about. His products are incredible.
Yeah, and I like him too. I actually knew about him previously before she told me about him. He is one of the people that I've subscribed to on my personal YouTube channel. And I've only watched a few of his videos, but he does know his stuff, that's for sure.
He really does. And I love the fact that he even took it a step further in the beauty community to, like, shave off his eyebrows.
Yeah, I know.
And just
I
be
really
like,
that about it.
I'm done messing around with these eyebrows, and I'm going to draw them on every day.
Yeah.
I want pink, honey. I want blonde, honey. I want brown. And him and his boyfriend, whatever the controversies may be about their lifestyle, they're just very good people. And that's the thing I love about YouTube. I love the positivity that it brings, the encouragement. I know in my life, YouTube really, like, saved me sometimes whenever I'm feeling down, uninspired,
unmotivated. Especially for me when it comes to cleaning and, organizing things. I become... like, I really don't want to get started on this project, but I go to YouTube and I turn on Love Meg,
watch a little Clutterbug,
and Do It on a Dime, and they just inspire me and they motivate me, and then I'm like, okay, I can do this, I can tackle this, I got this.
And then you're like inspired for 2 hours, and then you go take a nap.
Yeah.
So I know they're really excited to hear about our story, so tell them a little bit about you and how your life is so much different from mine.
Alright, so I'm actually married. I've been married for 4 years, and me and my husband have our son Michael, and he's 9 months old.
The cutest little nephew in the entire world.
Right. He is adorable. I am a stay-at-home mom. I did work for quite some time. I actually just became a stay-at-home mom roughly like 2 months ago, and it's been awesome. I really do enjoy it. I get to spend every day with my little schnookums, whom I love so much. He's the best. And I guess one day, actually for weeks now, I've actually been going over YouTube, and I've been watching a lot of videos, like I stated before, and I actually thought that I took an interest in, what if I started a channel? Like, what if I did it? You know, what if I started one? And then I thought about it for a second, I'm like, no, I can't do that. And then I'm like, well, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I don't have, like, a job to go to. I mean, of course, my son is my job, but that's, like, a fun job. I mean, he's mine, you know? And so, anyway, I did take it upon myself to look into it for a couple weeks and study into it and see what it takes to even start something.
And it's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work. It absolutely is. It is a lot of work, but it's fun. It's exciting. It's creative. You get to decide what you want to do, and you get to decide what level you want to take it to. It's just kind of, it's really interesting. And
you get to be your own boss,
right.
Which I think the thing that inspired you, that's different from me.
Right.
We have different stories about why we're wanting to, because right now, I don't need to be my own boss, and I will get to that in a minute.
Yeah, and so anyway, aside from that, when it comes to, like, my personality, I'm a very introverted person. I mean, I do like people, and I do like being sociable to some extent, but at the same time, I'm a very I like to stay at home.
You're
I'm a homebody, yes.
Mm-hmm.
I like to stay at home. I like to do my thing. And I like to spend time with just me, my husband, and my son. But aside from that, I think, again, like we stated with the YouTube videos, who we liked, you know, who are our favorites to watch. I think what I'm going to bring to the table when it comes to this YouTube channel is a lot of cleaning, organizing, and budgeting videos. And I know some of y'all are like, ew, no,
like
that's
me,
not our
I'm
thing.
like,
But she's going to bring some other things to the table, which she'll get to in a minute, that are going to bring it together and make this kind of like a lifestyle journey.
Well-rounded channel that everyone can feel like inspired by and feel motivated by. And in our channel, within a month, you're going to get at least four different videos that everyone can relate to in some way.
Right, and so it's really neat. So this is mainly just going to be like a lifestyle journey type of YouTube channel, and we are going to be doing some family vlogging as well, which is neat, so I thoroughly enjoy that. Those are kind of my favorites, and these sit down and chats too. I really like these.
With our little tea,
I know
honey.
It's our first one. But so far, we're enjoying the setup and everything.
And just spending time with each other.
Right.
Because I'll start getting into a little bit of my story, but I am busy. I am busy. And so for me, it's like adding another thing onto it isn't going to be like a job for me. It has to be something I'm passionate about, because right now my life feels like a job.
Like a hobby.
So I'm just really passionate about this, and it's got me really inspired lately and actually motivated me to do all of the things on my schedule right now that are crazy. So, we're going to get into that. If y'all can't tell, I'm the more extroverted one. When God was creating us up there, He sprinkled her with a little introversion. He sprinkled me with a little extroversion. But I love being around people. I get energized by large crowds. I get energized by people. I like being out. If I stay home too much, I'm like, what am I doing? And she gets energized by staying home. So we're very different in that way. I'm kind of funny, nerdy, quirky. So I think that kind of attributes to my personality. But I love, as much of I would call myself a tomboy, because I like outdoorsy type stuff.
We both do to some extent, so in a sense, yes.
Yeah, in a sense, I would call myself a tomboy because our dad wanted boys, but he got girls. And so we were thrown into sports, and I was always surrounded by guys, and so I had a lot of guy friends, so I was really nerdy. So the only way to kind of like be feminine was through beauty. So my like beauty and femininity came through applying makeup. Girl, doing my hair. This isn't natural. I wish it was. All of those kind of things. So that's, if we're talking about what we're going to be bringing to the table. As much, you're gorgeous. My sister is gorgeous. I love her so much. She's my best friend and my sister. I mean, who can say that about their sister? True. Yeah. I mean, we irritate the heck out of each other. Don't get me wrong, because we also live together. But you know, I'm just really grateful for her. She's awesome. So I was telling you guys that my life is kind of busy. So I have a full-time job as a financial advisor in one of the largest financial corporations. I'm not going to really get into my personal life because I want that to be a part of set apart from this. But yeah, so I do that full-time job over 40 hours a week. And I'm also an internship at my church. I have an internship there. I'm an intern on the administration team, and I get to be a personal assistant to my pastor, which I enjoy. And then I also am in Bible school right now and leadership and ministry. So My schedule.
Her plate is full. And so it's kind of funny, though, because when we actually sat down, it randomly came into conversation over lunch one day, and we were like, how are we going to do this? But we were just both so excited, and we knew that if, we both contributed to it and we did it together, that would actually take a little bit off of our plate when it comes to just the YouTube channel solely.
Yeah.
However, her plate is maxed out. When somebody thinks about a girl boss,
Haley, like, what was it? A couple of weeks ago, she was like, when are you ever going to be home? You have to start intentionally placing, like, times of rest in your schedule. And so I had to just start saying no. I mean, I'm doing so much, and I have a lot of people I have a lot of responsibilities and a lot of people who look up to me. I hate even saying that because I can't even think of myself as a leader yet. But, and I'm really, active in my church. So I had to start saying no and just take some time for me.
Right.
And so all of the creativity that I'm not getting to use is just going to be thrust into this YouTube channel. And I'm so excited about it. A little bit more about me, though. She's married. She has a kid. She's taken. So, and yeah, you boy subscribers out there, hello. I'm just kidding. I am single. I am single, and I'm not in a relationship, and I have no children, and I've never been married. And that's a little bit about my personal life. And so I think we're very different in the fact that
I know, but let them know what you're going to bring to the table, because I've talked about what I'm going to bring.
So I talked a little bit earlier about all of the reason why I got into beauty growing up and the reason why I love it now. But bringing to the table this YouTube channel, I mean, she got your budgeting, she got your finances, she got your organizing, cleaning. She does all the cooking at the house. Charity cannot cook to save a life. Okay, so yes, my husband's gonna need to know how to cook. But anyway, so what I bring to the table is beauty. I love makeup. I love hair. I do my own hair. I cut and dye my own hair. I might do a video about that one day. And so I really enjoyed that. I love clothes. I love thrifting. We both actually love thrifting.
I love the thrift, but it has to be at the right time. Like, I'm having to feel it. Like, I have to give myself a window of a few hours. That way I don't feel rushed while I'm doing it.
Yeah. So we love thrifting. And then also another thing that's really a big part of my life is fitness and health. It's actually a part of both of our lives. She's starting her health journey right now. Right. I started mine in January after I got out of a long relationship, an unhealthy relationship, and I was just wanting to practice some self-love. Yes. So to this day, your girl has lost almost 60 pounds because I've recently, started about 8 months ago my own health journey, and we're going to have a video coming soon about that, and y'all are going to get to see the transformation. But the coolest thing is this is called a lifestyle journey. Right. So it didn't stop. Mine hasn't stopped, and it's going to continue, and you're going to get to see us progress, and hopefully we can build connections with you guys, and we can see y'all progress with us.
Right.
We want this to be very collaborative, and so we're just really, really excited about all of the video ideas. I mean, we are overwhelmed. We
have like a list so long with different videos that we've already thought about that we really want to do.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to make time for it.
And this type A personality over here, because me, I'm just like, let's put things out. Ow. Who cares? She's like, no.
It has to have structure and order. Our goal to start off with is just to drop one video a week. I'm not going to give you a specific day yet because we're still working out the details.
Because my schedule, I have like 3 nights off a week and that's it.
Right. Yeah. But we're hoping to drop at least one video a week. And then maybe as it progresses, we can start dropping 2 a week. And that would be awesome considering how many we have on our list that we really like to create.
Many.
Yes.
Like, we'll give you a little sneak peek. Upcoming, we have some Halloween tutorials, some fall videos, fall-inspired videos, and makeup tutorials. So we're not going to throw all the finance and cleaning and budgeting at you first. We're gonna sprinkle a little fun up in this channel to start it out with.
And then we'll just slowly throw in the
organizing. Because we know everyone needs that. That's the thing. I love watching those videos, but it makes me overwhelmed. I'm like, oh no, I gotta figure this out. I gotta go home right now and budget. I gotta go home right now and clean my entire room, and she'll know when I'm watching those videos.
Okay. So that's how that does her. It actually relaxes me and it gets me motivated. I'm like, okay, I can take this on. I can do it.
We've just been talking a little bit off camera about how much we enjoy these sit-down videos with our tea. Maybe we can do like Tea Time Tuesday or something like that. If that another video. Hello, type B personality.
Before we end this video, she did state previously who you thought was older, so I guess now is the perfect time to reveal our ages to you.
Yes.
I am 23 years old.
And I'm 35. She's 23 and I'm 21. I just turned 21 a couple months ago.
Yes.
Hey.
So we're pretty close in age, which is, I guess, why it's so easy for us to get along so well. I mean, like she stated earlier, we do get on each other's nerves, don't get us wrong. However, we do love each other at the end of the day, and we are your best friends. So
We are. Love you, sis.
I love you too.
So to kind of wrap this up, we have enjoyed the sit-down video so much, and we want to do more of these in the future. So leave us a comment in the comment section below if you enjoy these type of videos, or leave us another comment about what type of videos that you want to see on our channel. We gave you so many different genres, and now it's time for you to pick.
Yeah, we would actually love that. We would love to hear from you guys and let us know what you want to see. I mean, we're willing to do anything. We gave a vast, variety of different videos that we don't mind doing or throwing out there that we both would enjoy doing. So it would actually be neat.
Yeah. So we also would love for you guys to follow us on social media. So right now we have an Instagram at Charity and Haley, and then we also have a Twitter at Charity H. And so we'll kind of place those right here for you guys, for y'all to follow us, and we'll leave them in the description box below. And we love for y'all to not only watch our videos and to stay tuned here, but to also follow us on social media to stay up to date. We like to post stories on Instagram, and Haley loves to tweet out what movies she's watching, and
we actually at least post once a day on Instagram and Twitter, if not more than that. So please follow us on social media if that's something you're interested in doing.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Be sure to give us a like on this video, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. We love having you here, and we love starting this lifestyle journey, and we're so excited to see all of our followers and to be able to talk with you guys down in the comments. I mean, we're just so excited about that.
Absolutely. All right, guys, thank you so much.
We'll
Bye.
see you next time.
And that's a wrap.